Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Toy Marianto, guru SMK Manajemen Perkantoran asal SMK Cendekia Batu Jajar, Kabupaten Bandung Barat. Saat ini saya sedang mengikuti kegiatan upskilling dan reskilling berstandar industri bagi guru manajemen perkantoran Angkatan 1 tahun 2026 yang diselenggarakan oleh Balai Besar Pengembangan Jaminan Mutu, Pendidikan Vokasi, Bisnis dan Pariwisata. Saya tergabung di kelas administrasi profesional B kelompok 1. Dalam proyek kali ini, saya akan berperan sebagai staf administrasi di PT Nusantara Tata Solusi. Video ini akan mendemonstrasikan serangkaian tugas, alur kerja, serta penanganan administrasi profesional yang efektif dan efisien sesuai dengan standar industri masa kini. Halo, kembali lagi bersama saya Toyib Arianto, administrasi staf di PT Nusantara Tata Solusi. Pada tugas kali ini saya bertugas untuk mempersiapkan dan mengatur jalannya rapat telekonferensi evaluasi kinerja operasional. Saya telah menyiapkan bahan tayang presentasi, memastikan perangkat audio visual berfungsi dengan baik, dan mengaktifkan fitur artificial intelligence untuk membantu mencatat transkrip rapat secara akurat. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's operational performance evaluation. As the meeting admin, I'll be guiding our agenda to taking the minutes. Today, we will evaluate our three core departments: production, warehouse and logistics, and marketing. We'll also address our current distribution bottleneck to Eastern Indonesia, and finalize our action plan. Without further ado, I will hand over the floor to our manager, Mr. Anton, to lead the discussion. Thank you for the introduction and for managing our agenda today. Good morning, team. Our primary
Morning, sir.
Okay.
Morning.
Our primary objective is to synchronize our workflow seamlessly from the manufacturing line down to the final consumer. I want this session to be highly collaborative. Let's dive straight into the report. Ms. Rini, could you please start by updating us on the production department performance and efficiency?
Certainly, Mr. Anton. I will share screen. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm happy to report that our assembly efficiency has increased by 12% this quarter. Thanks to strategic line balancing techniques, we are currently producing 4,800 units, closing the gap with our 5,000 target. However, during week 3, we experienced a 4-hour unscheduled downtime on the soldering machine. To hit our target of zero unplanned stoppage, my team is migrating to a predictive maintenance schedule using our newly deployed IoT sensors.
That's a remarkable improvement on the efficiency side, Miss Vini. Ensure that the predictive maintenance protocol is fully operational by next week. We cannot afford another disruption. Now, let's move to the inventory and distribution. Miss Angie, as the warehouse and logistic manager, could you share your department update?
Yes, Mr. Anton. Next. Okay, for inventory, our stock accuracy has reached a record high of 98% due to the successful implementation of our digital barcode system. However, we are dealing with a critical challenge in logistics. We currently face a 5% outbound delay to eastern Indonesia, specifically the Sulawesi and Papua roads, due to the unpredictable extreme weather. My team is actively evaluating new 3PL providers to secure alternative sea freight backup solutions.
That distribution bottleneck is exactly what I was worried about. We need those backup routes established urgently to maintain our supply chain resilience. Miss Gita, from the marketing perspective, how are these shipping delays affecting our regional distributor and overall market standing?
Well, Mr. Anton, despite those logistical challenges, our sales performance remained exceptionally strong. We have achieved 1,005% of our quarterly sales target across all product lines, surpassing our ambitious goals. Our market penetration in South Sulawesi and East Kalimantan has been very successful, and the demand for our Nusantara solution is incredibly high right now. However, I must stress that our new customers are highly sensitive to delivery lead times. If we don't resolve this distribution bottleneck to Eastern Indonesia quickly, I could seriously damage our brand reputation.
That is a great sales achievement, Mrs. Gita. From the production side, we will ensure that the finished good surplus is strictly quality checked and ready to be dispatched the moment the alternative logistic routes are secured by Miss Angie's team. We have enough buffer stock to support your expansion.
Thank you, Ms. Winnie. We will coordinate closely on this. I will also instruct the sales team to maintain transparent communication with our client about the shipping status to keep their mass intact.
Excellent teamwork. I agree completely. We cannot let logistics hold back our sales momentum. I think we have a clear picture of our current operational standing and the immediate steps required. Admin, could you please summarize our action item before we wrap up? Certainly, Mr. Anton. Here are the three main action items. First, Ms. Pini will immediately finalize the predictive maintenance migration to prevent machine downtime. Second, Ms. Angie team in logistics will secure an alternative 3PL sea freight vendor for the eastern routes within 1 week. Third, Ms. Gita will proactively manage client expectation regarding shipping delays. I will distribute the finalist minutes shortly. Thank you, everyone. The meeting is officially adjourned. Setelah rapat ditutup, saya mengunduh transkrip otomatis yang dihasilkan oleh Artificial Intelligence selama telekonferensi. Dengan bantuan AI, saya merangkum poin-poin krusial dan menerjemahkannya untuk menyusun notula rapat resmi dalam bahasa Indonesia. Hal ini bisa menjamin kecepatan dan akurasi yang lebih baik sesuai dengan standar operasional prosedur di perusahaan PT Nusantara Tata Solusi. Kemudian, praktik demonstrasi pengaturan rapat telekonferensi yang dilaksanakan di PT Nusantara Tata Solusi. Sampai jumpa kembali di video berikutnya.